Alright, so the Elgato green screen in 2021. Should you buy it? I'm here to tell you today. Pretty much doing a unboxing video and basically breaking down why this thing is so good and why you need this version. Not any old other, backdrop that is a green screen pretty much. Now, I'm going to show you guys basically what I used and now what I bought, okay? Now, when I first started out on YouTube, by the way, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We are almost at 26,000 subscribers, which is actually insane. So when I pretty much started on YouTube, I got a green screen. Now, when I got a green screen, I used literally a sheet that was green. Literally, and I painted, I actually taped it onto my wall. I didn't use any screws or anything, nail it down. I didn't do any of that. I just literally taped it to my wall. It looks so funny. Okay, now not to mention back then I had about, I want to say 1,000 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers, and pretty much I used that green screen to live stream to YouTube playing video games pretty much, right? That's pretty much what you use it for. If you're in production, then you're going to use more high-end stuff. But we're not talking about that today. For YouTube 2021, should you buy a green screen? That is the question. And I'm here to tell you yes. Yes, definitely if you're a live streamer. Now, a lot of people tend to just, use a non-green screen and just pretty much put up a webcam and, have the environment basically in the background, which is cool. As long as your environment behind you looks cool. You know what I mean? If you have kind of a corny background and, your bed's in the background, or, your background is really rough looking, you're going to want to get a green screen. Now, I say the green screen because you literally can key out everything behind you and it could just be you in your gaming chair right on the screen. Nothing else. Not to mention if you're live streaming, it provides extra room for you, which is great. You don't have to worry about, someone coming into your background. Stupid stuff, right? You don't have to worry about any of that. Now, this Elgato gaming, I don't want to call it a gaming green screen because literally you could just use it for anything. You literally can use it for anything. You can use a green screen for anything. But like I said again, I started out with a sheet that was green. It was really long. I do not recommend you do that because literally it's hard to keep up with those, meaning mine literally faded over time and it got wrinkles in it, and it was bad. All right, it was bad. Next thing I did, I bought a kind of a oval green screen. It was pretty big, but I needed something to hold it so it stayed standing pretty much. And I had to get a big tripod, hook it up to something. Long story short, it was pretty rough trying to get it out, put it in my closet. It was bad, right? Okay, it was really bad. I want to say it was really bad. Now, I've been using that all up until now, okay? Today, I bought a Elgato green screen, the one that actually pulls up from the ground and basically stays up by itself. This thing has to be one of the best green screens to have on the market. Now, I'm not sponsored, but hey, Elgato, if you want to sponsor me, you know what to do. Get in contact. Let's make something happen. But if I'm telling you this, okay, a YouTuber with 26,000 subscribers, that's been live streaming for a while. I don't live stream anymore. Hey, twitch.tv/Natepushweights. If you guys want to see some daily live streaming content, gaming content, go ahead and go follow me, whatever. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm pretty much just going to be showcasing this Elgato green screen pretty much for you guys, and I'll pretty much let you guys know how it goes. Whoa, that's absolutely fresh. Wow, that's tough. That's tough. tough to eat. I can fall back. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay, so the green screen I have directly behind me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it up so you guys can see it, take a look at it, and then pretty much we're gonna show how it works. Now, right now I'm using OBS. The webcam that I'm using right now is the Logitech Brio, which is kind of like a 4K camera. I'm not using 4K, I'm using 1920 by 1080, so don't worry about how crisp it actually looks. But yeah, let's take a look at it. I'm gonna show you guys basically what this green screen can pretty much do. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have the green screen directly behind me. It's not necessarily covering my whole body, meaning, you know, I obviously have some empty areas over here. I have some empty areas over here. But this is pretty much what you're gonna do. You have the option to bring it up a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it right there and kind of play with it. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go like this. So I'm pretty much going to shrink myself, shrink my box. See, as you guys can see, I'm shrunken. Shrink a little bit more. Boom. Kind of fill in these areas that are kind of exposed. Boom. Now, as you guys can see, I'm fully, you see me, right? I'm gonna move my camera up a little bit more. Let's do that. Move my camera to about here so you guys can see me. Now, pretty much everything's covered with the green screen. I have a light on behind me. That's why you see this kind of line. I'm gonna turn that light off. All right, boom. As you guys can see, straight up green, right? Next thing you're gonna wanna do is you are going to want to make a green screen key, pretty much. All right, so pretty much what I can do is with this green screen, this is why everybody buys them. You basically can go in and set a kind of like a filter to where you can key yourself out. Now watch as I'm going. Now my whole background is pretty much gone. Right now I'm a little fuzzy up here, as you guys can see. Pretty much that means there's a shadow over there. So if I were to turn this key off, there's kind of like a shadow up there. I'm just gonna raise my light level and I kind of still have a shadow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my light so it actually hits this background a lot better. So give me 1 second. Now I'm gonna turn my light up. Boom. I'm gonna add the key. Now, as you guys can see, looks pretty good. Looks pretty fair. I'm gonna make a background so you guys can kind of see what the heck is going on. But what I could do is I can brighten myself up if I wanted to. I can add contrast. I can pretty much change the opacity of how much the green screen actually has, meaning like this, like I could disappear myself. I can add gamma, change the way, you know, stuff looks. What else can I do? I can add a background behind me, meaning if I were to do something like this, if I were to go to some of my media settings, make an image and put an image behind me, I could literally just go like this. Let me see. Do I have anything downloaded? So yeah, I could put something like this behind me if I wanted to, and have it as my background, so to say. So all little things like that is pretty much what the green screens allows you to do. So you can pick up a lot of green screens on the internet. It could be as low as like $40. The only thing is, like I said again, you're not gonna have the best green screen like this. This is the best green screen to have when it comes down to YouTube streaming, portability, just all around great green screen to have at a small compact situation, like for a room setup or a YouTube studio setup, whatever. You know what I mean? Like I said again, other green screens will have can be like a sheet. They literally can run very cheap. The only thing is you gotta worry about it. You gotta take care about it. You have to clean it every now and then. You know, you have to set it up correctly. You have to utilize it for your setup. This one literally can be utilized anywhere, any type of setup. Literally the smallest room if you wanted to. You pretty much just take it out, pull it up, and you're good to go, pretty much. Now, yeah, if that's not a good green screen, I don't know what is. So I'm gonna use this green screen for a lot of my videos, a lot of my reaction videos. If you guys want to go check out those reaction videos, my YouTube channel is Natepushweights TV. Go check them out. I will be using this for live streaming on Twitch, twitch.tv/Natepushweights as well. Go check me out. And that's pretty much it for the video. Let me know in the comment section, are you guys gonna pick up a green screen? I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. But pretty much, yeah, if you really want a green screen, this is definitely the one to get. This will run you about over $120, which is actually a great price. I remember when these were like $300 just to get. So yeah, it's actually a steal. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment below, like, all that good stuff, and I will, go follow me on Twitch too, because twitch.tv/Natepushweights, best streams ever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.